What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. I got everything laid out, drying out from yesterday's hunt. Y'all will see that in a few days. But for now, I kind of want to talk to y'all. This is a hunt from back this past weekend. Me and my dad went up to the camp. You know, Alabama, we've been getting rain. Like, the whole state has gotten rain for like the past 6-7 days. And it's just got everything flooded everywhere, including our camp. So, you know, we've got tons of water up there. Everything, you know, the creek's flooded. There's a ton of water in the pond, and it's just everything's flooded out. So there's been a ton of ducks, and we went up there and took advantage of it. We had done a roost hunt the day before. You know, we saw plenty of ducks. They were landing probably, 200 yards away from us, just out of range. So couldn't get to those. But this morning we were headed out. We were going. It's a lot of flooded timber. You know, we've got a little hole cleared out that we're able to hunt, and we got out there, and it didn't take long. The birds were doing it good. I'll show y'all. We had a couple problems early in the morning. We did some shooting, but there were a few problems, and so we'll jump into it, and I'll let y'all see that. Here we go, Dad. Here we go. Coming in. Coming over, Dad. Coming straight in. Got him! Woo! That's a teal.
That was a teal?
That's gotta be. That's the sound they were making. Here we got two big ducks coming in. Dang, they landed on the other side. They're landing in the trees on the other side. Mm-hmm. Those were big ducks that just did that. There's two of them. That was a mallard. That was a dang mallard. I cannot believe that. But y'all can see at this point we decided to make a move. The birds were landing downwind just a little bit away from us where we normally set up. But we decided at this point to make a move and go set up a little bit away from where we were, and it paid off. You know, it's kind of late in the morning, so the birds quit flying not too long after it paid off. But as you'll see, it paid off for us. It's a hen mallard.
Man, where'd it go?
Oh.
God, that hurt. God, that hurt.
You all right?
Hand, yes, don't slap me like that. Man, you nailed it, bro.
Through the trees. Oh.
How about that? How about that? That makes it work.
It's the hen, but I don't care.
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna go grab it so it doesn't swim off.
Okay.
Oh, yes. It was just a lone bird. Oh, yes. But yeah, there you go. You know, I got my first mallard. It was just a hen. You know, I've been a hen shooter this season. Just about every hunt I've gotten a bird, it's been a hen, except for that one hunt with Chase where I got the redhead. But I'll drop the link to that video below if y'all want to check that out. But yeah, you know, if y'all enjoyed this hunt, you know, shoot me the thumbs up if you enjoyed the mallard. If y'all got any tips for getting the mallards to decoy, I think, you know, I've got a jerk rig decoy set up. I'd use that in actually yesterday's hunt that y'all see later in the week, and it paid off. So I'm gonna start using the jerk rig a lot more, and I think that'll help out a lot. But if y'all have any other tips, you know, drop that below. I'm done with the mojo. You know, I had the mojo out the first part of the morning, and birds were flaring off of me left and right. So done with the mojo this season. So just gonna stick to the good old jerk rig. That seems to be the key in these heavily pressured areas. You know, few birds that we have, they're pretty smart, pretty stale. So having the jerk rig works a lot better than mojo. I think they've just seen so many of the mojos. But anyways, if y'all enjoyed the video, shoot me the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed up, go ahead and subscribe up. You know, appreciate everything y'all do. I appreciate every review. You know, it means the world to me that y'all would take the time out of your day to watch my videos. So yeah, but anyways, y'all stay tuned for the video later in this week, the bluebill hunt from yesterday. It's a pretty good video. It's best hunt I've had out of my kayak yet this year. So y'all stay tuned for that one, and I will see y'all later.